Numbers up to 50. In this chapter, we are going to be learning about numbers up to 20, number names up to 50, before, after and between, counting backwards, smaller numbers, bigger numbers, comparing numbers, more, less or equal to, ascending order and descending order. Let's start. Numbers up to 20. We use one place to write these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This place is called the ones place. After 9 comes 10, but we cannot write 10 in the ones place. So, we write 0 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place. 0 is the ones place, 1 is the tens place. We call this place the tens place. Let us see how we can write other numbers. For example, 14. 1, 4. 4 comes in the ones place and 1 comes in the tens place. Number names up to 50. Here we are going to be learning how to write the numbers in words. For example, 1, O-N-E. For 2, we write T-W-O-2. T-H-R-E-E is 3 and so on until 50. Before, after and between. Let's suppose there are 3 animals, hen, goat and a cow. The hen is standing before the goat. The goat is standing in between the hen and the cow. And the cow is standing after the goat. Let's take the same example to explain numbers. For example, 10, 11 and 12. 10 comes before 11. 11 is in between 10 and 12. And 12 comes after 11. Counting backwards. Can you count backwards? Let's try. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Smaller numbers and bigger numbers. Suppose you have 2 branches. The branch on the left side has 27 leaves and the branch on the right side has 48 leaves. Now the branch on the left side with 27 leaves is a smaller number, whereas the branch with 48 leaves has a bigger number. Comparing numbers. Let's take 2 numbers, 32 and 7. 7 is a 1-digit number and 32 is a 2-digit number. Hence, 32 is bigger than 7 and 7 is smaller than 32. Let's take another example, 24 and 26. Both of these are 2-digit numbers. When the tens place of a 2-digit number is the same, we should consider the ones place. Here, the ones place has 4 and 6. Hence, 6 is bigger than 4. Therefore, 24 is smaller than 26 and 26 is bigger than 24. More, less or equal to. More means greater. Hence, we use this sign to denote the greater numbers. We can also read it as greater than. For example, there are 6 boys and 2 girls. 6 is greater than 2. Less means fewer. We also use this sign to denote fewer numbers. We can also read it as less than or smaller than. For example, there are 8 blue pencils and 2 red pencils. The red pencils are less than the number of blue pencils. Hence, we write 2 less than 8 equal to. Let's suppose there are 5 green balls and 5 red balls. They are both equal. Hence, we use this sign to denote equal to. Ascending order. Observe the given stars. They are arranged in an order from small to big. Similarly, when numbers or things are arranged from smaller to bigger order, we say they are in ascending order. We also call it increasing order. For example, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. These go from small to bigger numbers. These are ascending orders. Descending order. Observe the given stars. These stars are arranged in an order from big to small. Similarly, when things or numbers are arranged from a bigger to smaller order, we say they are in descending order. We also call it decreasing order. For example, 26, 25, 24, 23. These are from bigger to smaller numbers.